In this video, we're going to show you how you can utilize the Canvas Gradebook to view grades and certain assignments and modules inside of your Canvas course. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go into our Canvas course, and from our home page or from any page in the course, we want to look on the left side where the course navigation is. We want to select Grades. Once I've selected Grades, you'll notice that it brings me to the Gradebook screen. Now, where I want to draw your attention is in the top left corner where it says View. If you click on View here, this is where you can filter out, and this is where we're going to spend most of our time in this video, is under the filter section. You can filter out by certain items inside of your course. What's most important right now, I think, is to filter out by grading periods and by modules. And so those are the two things that we'll focus on here. Now, we've got grading periods set up in Canvas so that when you create an assignment, or maybe when you edit an assignment, that could be in Mastery Connect, it could be a blueprint assignment, anything in your course that's an assignment, you can simply click on the assignment, you can click edit, and you can assign a due date to that assignment. That due date will correspond to the grading period, or to the correct grading period. So inside of our gradebook, what I want to do is over here on filters, I want to turn on the grading period filter. And then right here, you'll notice this box appears. So from here, I have all grading periods, quarter 1, quarter 2, 3, and 4. If I've not put a due date on an assignment, then it will automatically fall into the all grading period category. So what you're looking at here is quarter 1. There's one assignment, really two assignments inside of quarter 1 that I've got labeled in this course. If I select all grading periods, you're going to see a lot more assignments appear. These assignments that appear are assignments that do not have a due date on them, or maybe they're in a different grading period. So I'm going to click all grading periods. And when I do that, you'll now see that I get a lot more assignments appear in my Canvas Gradebook. So again, go to View, choose your filter, turn on the grading periods filter, and then select what you want to view. Ideally, you've put due dates on your assignments, and those due dates then will, like I said, will match up with the correct quarter. So in this example, if I had quarter 1 selected, then only the assignments that I've got due dates on for quarter 1, that falls between the dates of quarter 1, will appear here in the gradebook. Go back and turn on all grade periods just to show you another option inside of the gradebook. If you click View and you go to Filters, the other option that I wanted to show you is Modules. So we're going to turn on the Module filter. Now you'll notice that the filter appears over here on the right side of the screen. Now I can select which module I want to view in all grading periods. So if I were to select Chapter 1 module, this is all the grading periods, they show up here. If I were to select like quarter 1, you'll notice it took away an assignment because this Unit 1 assignment was not part of the quarter 1. The due date did not fall inside of quarter 1. So all grading periods is a great way to see everything in your course, and then you can filter it out by the module itself. If you know you're utilizing due dates, which is a recommendation, you should have quarter 1 or whatever quarter you're looking at, and then you could even narrow it down by module if you needed to, or if you wanted to find specific items inside of a module. So again, that's View, you go to Filters, you turn on the filters that you want. One that I didn't mention here that I meant to mention is under Filters, you can turn on the section filter. That section filter will allow you to sort by your class period. So you can choose class periods and only view certain class periods. You can select quarter 1, 2, 3, or 4. All grading periods gives you everything. All modules gives you everything, and then you can select the module. Another question that comes up quite a bit would be, how do I turn the points that are listed here into a percentage? So what you can do is you can select the assignment itself, the 3 dots right here, and you can go down to where it says enter grade as, and you can change that to percentage. And that will then change your scores into a percentage. So 3 dots, enter grade as percentage, and then you should see your scores inside of your Canvas Gradebook as a percentage. So those are just some ways to view filters and to view items inside of a Canvas Gradebook. Again, under the View tab there, you can view the filters. You can turn those on and off. I showed you how to do the percentage. The final thing that I want to show you in this video, a lot of people ask, is how do I get rid of the unpublished assignments in my gradebook? And what that means is if I scroll to the right here, you'll see that there are unpublished assignments in the gradebook. So how would I get rid of those unpublished assignments so that I don't see them in the gradebook? You're not deleting them from the course, you're just removing them from the gradebook. You just simply need to click View and uncheck the unpublished assignments. And now you'll notice that unpublished assignments do not appear in the gradebook. So those are some tips that hopefully will help you when viewing and manipulating inside of your Canvas gradebook.